Assalamu alaikum dear students. Today I will give you the solution of some important problem of addition, subtraction, multiplication and division of fraction. Number one says complete and make sure the answer is in its lowest term. So number A. Number A says 3 whole 3 by 4 plus 2 whole 1 by 2. So what does that mean? 4 3 is 12 plus 3 that is 15 plus 2 2 is 4 plus 1 that is 5. That means at first we are converting this mixed into improper. Then we have to find out the LCM of the denominator. So what is the LCM of 4 and 2? That is 4. So for that reason we have to find out the equivalent fraction of 5 by 2. That should be 2 multiplied by 2 that is 4 because we are converting these 4 and 2 into their LCM. That means we have to multiply this 5 by 2. 5 multiplied by 2 that is 10. Now if the new denominator is same then just we can add the numerator 15 plus 10. So here 15 plus 10 that should be 25 and there is a 4 here. So now we have to convert this one into mixed fractions. So if we divide 25 by 4, we will get 4 6 are 24. So 1 will be left. So answer should be 6 whole 1 by 4. And that is the answer of number A. Now number B. Number B says 3 whole 1 by 6 plus 2 whole 5 by 6. Now at first we have to convert this mixed into improper. So 6 3 is 18 plus 1 that is 19 plus 6 2 is 12, 12 plus 5 that is 17. So here both denominator is already same. So the LCM of 6 and 6 should be 6. So then just we can add the numerator 19 plus 17. 17 plus 19 that is 36 divided by 6. So if we divide 36 by 6 we'll get 6. So 6 should be the answer of number B. Now number C. Number C says 2 whole 2 by 3 plus 1 whole 1 by 6. At first we have to convert this mixed into improper. So 3 to the 6 plus 2 that is 8 plus 6 on the 6 plus 1 that is 7. Now we have to find out the LCM of 3 and 6 that is 6. Okay. So 3 multiplied by 2 that is 6. That means actually we have to find out the equivalent fraction of 8 by 3. So 3 multiplied by 2 that is 6. 8 multiplied by 2 that is 16. And here already 7 is given. So 6 is the denominator and we have to add the numerator 16 plus 7. So what will be 16 plus 7? Very simple thing, that should be 23. And the denominator is 6. Now we have to convert this one into mixed fractions. So how can we convert? 23 divided by 6. 6 3 is 18. So our remainder should be 23 minus 18 that is 5. So answer should be 3 whole 5 by 6. And that should be the answer of number C. Number D says 4 whole 1 by 2 plus 2 whole 1 by 4. So at first we have to convert this mixed into improper. So 2 4 is 8 plus 1 that is 9 plus 4 2 is 8 plus 1 that is 9. At first we have to convert this mixed into improper. So how can we convert? 2 4 is 8 plus 1 that is 9 plus 4 2 is 8 plus 1 that is 9. That means we have to find out the LCM of 2 and 4 that is 4. So now equivalent fraction of 9 by 2 should be 18 by 4. How? 2 multiplied by 2 that is 4. 9 multiplied by 2 that is 18. And here is 9 by 4. So if we look at this carefully, we'll see that here denominator is 4. So we have to add the numerator 18 plus 9. So 18 plus 9 that should be 27. 27 divided by 4. So now we have to convert this improper into mixed. So how can we convert? We have to divide 27 by 4. So 4 6 are 24. So 3 will be left. So our answer should be 6 whole 3 by 4. That is the answer of number D. Now number E. Number E says 3 whole 1 by 5 plus 2 whole 1 by 6. At first we have to convert this mixed into improper. 5 3 is 15 plus 1, that is 16, plus 6 2 is 12 plus 1, that is 13. Now we have to find out the LCM of 5 and 6, that is 30. So we're just converting this denominator into 30, this denominator into 30. That means 5 multiplied by 6, 30. So 6 multiplied by 16 should be 96. And 6 multiplied by 5, that is 30. So 13 multiplied by 5 should be 65. So if the denominator is same, then we can add the numerator 96 plus 65. So what will be 96 plus 65? 5 plus 6, that is 11. So there is 1 here. 1 will be added here. 7. 7 plus 9, that is 16 divided by 30. Now we have to convert this one into mixed. So 30 multiplied by 5, that is 150. So what will be our remainder? That is 11. So answer should be 5 whole 11 by 30. Now number F. Number F says 6 whole 1 by 5 plus 3 whole 5 by 5. Very simple problem actually. So we can solve it in that way, 5 6 is 30 plus 1, that is 31, plus 5 3 is 15 plus 5, that is 20. So the denominator should be 5 and the numerator should be 31 plus 20, that is 51. So if we want to convert this one into mixed, that should be 10 whole 1 by 5. Now number 2. Number 2 says complete and make sure the answer is in its lowest term. So that is a subtraction problem. So first one is 4 whole 2 by 7 minus 2 whole 5 by 14. So at first we have to convert this one into improper fraction. So 7 4 is 28 plus 2, that is 30, minus 14 multiplied by 2, that is 28. 28 plus 5, that is 33. So now we have to find out the LCM of 7 and 14, that is 14. Okay. So 7 multiplied by 2, that is 14. 30 multiplied by 2, that is 60. Again, minus 33 divided by 14. So the denominator is 14. So numerator should be 60 minus 33. So 60 minus 33 should be 27 and the denominator is 14. So if we want to convert this one into mixed fraction, then we'll get 1 whole 13 by 14 will be the answer of number A. Now number B. Number B says 2 whole 3 by 4 minus 1 whole 3 by 8. So how can we solve? Simple. First convert it into improper. So 4 2 is 8 plus 3, that is 11, minus 8 1 is 8 plus 3, that is also 11. Now we have to find out the LCM of 4 and 8, that is 8. So we have to write 8 at denominator and we have to find out the equivalent fraction of 11 by 4. So 4 times 2, that is 8, 11 times 2, that is 22. And there should be 11. So 8 and the numerator should be 22 minus 11, that is 11 by 8. And the answer should be 1 whole 3 by 8. Just converting this improper into mixed. Very simple problem. Now number C. Number C says 2 whole 1 by 2 minus 4 whole 1 by 4. 2 to the 4 plus 1, that is 5, minus 4 4 is 16 plus 1, that is 17. Now we have to find out the LCM of 2 and 4. The LCM of 2 and 4 should be 4. That means this one should be, the denominator of first fraction should be 4. The denominator of second fraction should be 4. 2 multiplied by 2, that is 4. 5 multiplied by 2, that is 10. 4 multiplied by 1, that is 4. 17 multiplied by 1, that is 17. So here 4 and 4 are the denominator. So we can write 4 and we have to subtract 10 minus 17. And we know that 10 minus 17 is minus 7. So minus 7 by 4. So if we want to convert this one into mixed, the answer should be minus 1 whole 3 by 4. And that will be the answer of this problem. Now, number D. Look at number D. Number D says 5 whole 3 by 5 minus 2 whole 1 by 10. So how can we solve it? 5 5 is 25 plus 3, that is 28, minus 10 multiplied by 2, 20 plus 1, that is 21. Next, we have to find out the LCM of 5 and 10, that should be 10. So 10 here, 10 here. So equivalent fraction of 28 by 5 should be 56 by 10. How? 5 multiplied by 2, that is 10. 28 multiplied by 2, that is 56. So here 21. So the denominator is 10. So we have to subtract the numerator, 56 minus 21. Then what will we get? 6 minus 1, that is 5. And 5 minus 2, that is 3. So 35 divided by 10. So we can convert this one into the reduced fraction. So we can divide both numerator and denominator by 5. So 5 7 is 35, 5 2 is 10. So here 7 by 2. So if we want to convert this one into mixed, we will get 3 whole 1 by 2. Very simple problem. Now number E. Number E says 3 whole 2 by 5 minus 2 whole 1 by 5. So at first we have to convert this mixed into improper. 5 3 is 15 plus 2, that is 17, minus 5 2 is 10 plus 1, that is 11. So here the denominator is 5 and we have to subtract the numerator, 17 minus 11. 17 minus 11, that is 6 by 5. And if we want to convert this one into mixed, we will get 1 whole 1 by 5. Very simple problem. Now our last problem, that is number F. Number F says 5 whole 1 by 8 minus 2 whole 1 by 10. At first, 8 5 is 40 plus 1, that is 41, minus 10 multiplied by 2, that is 20. 20 plus 1, that is 21. Now we have to find out the LCM of 8 and 10. So how can we find out? We can find out by dividing 8 and 10 by another number, actually the prime number. So 2 4 is 8, 2 5 is 10. So 5 4 is 20, 20 multiplied by 2, that is 40. So here the LCM is 40. So we can write the denominator of these both fractions should be 40. Now we have to find out the equivalent fraction of 41 by 8. 8 multiplied by 5, that is 40. 41 multiplied by 5, that is 5 1 is 5, 5 4 is 20. Again, 10 multiplied by 4, that is 40. 21 multiplied by 4, that is 4 1 is 4, 4 2 is 8. So now we can subtract the numerator, 205 minus 84. So what will we get now? 5 minus 4, that is 1. 8, that is 2, that will be 1. So 121 by 40. Now if we want to find out the mixed, what will we get? We will get 3 whole 1 by 40. And that will be the answer of number F. Now number 3. Number 3 says complete and make sure the answer is in its lowest term, and that is the multiplication problem. So number A, 3 whole 1 by 3 multiplied by 1 whole 1 by 5. So how can we convert? Look, 3 3 is 9 plus 1, that is 10, multiplied by 5 1 is 5 plus 1, that is 6. So we will multiply 10 multiplied by 6, 3 multiplied by 5. Now we should divide 6 by 3, that is 2, 10 by 5, that is 2. So 2 multiplied by 2 should be our answer, that is 4. And that is the answer of number A. Now number B. Number B says 2 whole 2 by 7 multiplied by 1 whole 3 by 8. So at first we have to convert this mixed into improper. So 7 2 is 14 plus 2, that is 16, multiplied by 8 1 is 8 plus 3, that is 11. Next we have to multiply 16 multiplied by 11, 7 multiplied by 8. Now we have to divide. we can divide 16 and 8 both by 8. That means 8 to the 16, 8 on the 8. So 11 multiplied by 2, that is 22. 7 multiplied by 1, that is 7. So if we want to convert this one into mixed, then we can say that should be 7 3 is 21. So 1 will be our remainder and answer should be 3 whole 1 by 7. Just convert this improper into mixed. Very simple. Now number C. Number C says 4 whole 1 by 4 multiplied by 3 whole 1 by 5. So actually we can convert mixed into improper. 4 4 is 16 plus 1, that is 17, multiplied by 5 3 is 15 plus 1, that is 16. So we can multiply the numerator, 17 multiplied by 6, 4 multiplied by 5, that is the denominator. So now we have to divide 16 by 4, that is 4. So 17 multiplied by 4. So if we want to find out the multiplication of 17 and 4, we will get 68 divided by 5. Now we have to convert this one into mixed. So how can we convert? 68 by 5. So that should be 5 1 is 5. 1 will be there. 18. So 5 3 is 15. So here the remainder should be 3. So answer should be 13 whole 3 by 5. Now number D. Number D says 10 whole 1 by 2 multiplied by 3 whole 1 by 7. So that is, at first we have to convert this one into improper. 2 10 is 20 plus 1, that is 21. Multiplied by 7 3 is 21 plus 1, that is 22. So 21 multiplied by 22 divided by 2 multiplied by 7. So now we have to divide. So if we divide 21 by 7, we'll get 3. And we can divide 22 by 2, that is 11. So 3 multiplied by 11 should be our final answer, that is 33. Now number E. Number E says 2 whole 1 by 7 multiplied by 1 whole 2 by 21. So how can we find out? At first we have to convert this mixed into improper. 7 to the 14 plus 1, that is 15. Multiplied by 21 multiplied by 1, that is 21, plus 2, that is 23. So 7 multiplied by 21, 15 multiplied by 23. So now we have to divide. We can divide 15 and 21 both by 3. So 3 5 is 15, 3 7 is 21. So we cannot divide any other numbers. So we have to multiply 7 multiplied by 7, that is 49. 5 multiplied by 23, that is 115. Now we have to find out the mixed number. So how can we find out? So 49 multiplied by 2, that is 98. So if we subtract, then we'll get 17. So remainder will be 17, and the answer should be 2 whole 17 by 49. Now number F. Number F says 3 whole 1 by 5 multiplied by 2 whole 1 by 7. So 5 3 is 15 plus 1, that is 16, multiplied by 7 2 is 14 plus 1, that is 15. So we have to multiply the numerator, we have to multiply the denominator. So 15 divided by 5, that should be 3. So 16 multiplied by 3 by 7. 16 multiplied by 3, that is 48. Divided by 7. So if we convert this one into mixed, we can say the answer should be 6 whole 6 by 7. And that is the answer of number F. Now we have to solve number 4. That is actually the division problem. So number A. Number A says 13 divided by 1 by 13. So we know that if we got this division sign, then we can convert this division into multiplication, and the reciprocal of 1 by 13 should be 13. So 13 multiplied by 13, that should be 169. That is the answer of number A. Number B, 5 divided by 1 by 15. So here 5 multiplied by reciprocal of 1 by 15 should be 15. So 5 multiplied by 15, that should be 75. Now number C. Number C says 1 whole 3 by 7 divided by 2 whole 1 by 14. So at first we have to convert this mixed into improper. So how can we convert? 7 on the 7 plus 3, that is 10, divided by 14 multiplied by 2, 28 plus 1, 29. Now 10 divided by 7, we have to convert this division into multiplication and find out the reciprocal of 29 by 14, and that is 14 by 29. So now we have to divide 14 divided by 7, that is 2. Very simple. Now we have to multiply the numerator. 10 multiplied by 2, that is 20, and here is the 29 as denominator. So that should be our answer. Number D. Number D says, 1 divided by 3 whole 2 by 5. So that is, 1 divided by 5, 3 is 15 plus 2, that is 17. So we have to convert this division into multiplication, and reciprocal of 17 by 5 should be 5 by 17. So if we multiply any number by 1, then the answer will be that number. So 5 by 17 will be the answer. Very simple. Now number E. Number E says 20 divided by 1 by 2. Actually that means 20 multiplied by 2, because reciprocal of 1 by 2 should be 2. 20 multiplied by 2, that is 40. So 40 will be the answer of number E. Now F. F is 2 whole 1 by 2 divided by 2 whole 1 by 4. At first we have to convert this mixed into improper. 2 to the 4 plus 1, that is 5, divided by 4 to the 8 plus 1, that is 9. Now 5 by 2, then we can convert this division into multiplication. Then 5 by 2 multiplied by reciprocal of 9 by 4 should be 4 by 9. So we can divide right now. 4 divided by 2, that is 2. So 5 multiplied by 2, that is 10 by 9. If we want to convert this one into mixed, what will we do? 9 ones are 9, then 1 will be our remainder. So 1 whole 1 by 9 should be the answer of number F. So thank you very much for watching the video. See you soon on next video. Until then, Allah Hafiz. Fi amanillah.